Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 25 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. I'm still in Okinawa, in Naha. I gotta remember to do the intro, so maybe tomorrow. But yeah, today's poem is 1685, Sum of the Absolute Differences in a Sorted Array. Alright, so you're given a num sorted, non-decreasing order, build an integer. I'm gonna sneeze, so hang on. Achoo! 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 Oh man, sorry friends, hang on. Alright, well, got that out of the system. Let's continue on the problem, shall we? Summation of absolute differences between num sub I and all other elements in the array. What does that mean? So 2, 3, 5. What's 2, 3, 5? Oh, wait, what? Huh? Alright, let me reread it. Build and then return it with the same length such that we sub I is equal to summation of absolute differences between num sub I and all. Oh, okay. So this 4 means 2 minus 3 minus 5. Okay. I mean, I think this is kind of tricky, but you have to. So n is 10 to the 5th, so you know that you have to do it in n log n time at worst. N squared is gonna be too slow. Maybe you could do something exotic for the complexities, but I don't know. I think the idea behind this problem is going to be built for one thing and then slowly work your way through the other incrementally, right? If you're able to do that, then you're able to, and you have to do it. You can't really calculate every time because that's n squared. So yeah, so let's say we have the answer for the first one, right? So yeah, so for I in range of n, let's say we have right? Something like this, right? Okay. And then what does that mean? That means it's okay. And oh, and this is sorted, so that means I actually don't need absolute value. I forgot about that. Okay, and then now we're trying to build it incrementally, right? And the way that I would think about it is, let me actually just pull up a painting thing, right? Hang on. And again, what's going on here? There we go. Yeah, I'm on the touchpad, so forgive me for a little bit for you know, bad drawing possibly. So yeah, basically the number line, right? And in this number line, you have a sorted list of do they have to be unique? I guess no, they could be the same. Only goes to the 10 to the 4th as well. But yeah, basically you have some let's just say points. Let me change the color real quick. Points that we care about, right? Right? It doesn't really matter what they actually are. And then the idea is that, okay, so let's say we have an answer for here for the leftmost one, right? Let's just say the sum is some t for total, right? Then now, going to the right, just sweeping, then we just have to do the math. Basically, now we have this distance, right? And let's call it d for delta. Geez, let me try again. And basically, because you're going from left to right, you have all these amount of them that's going to subtract d each, right? So that's going to be just the number of them multiplied by negative d, or subtract multiply by d and then subtract it, and then everything to the left we add d, right? Because now should have added a few more things. It's unreal. I mean, in the beginning, there's obviously in the beginning there's nothing to the left, but then as you get more and more, then now you have plus d and minus d. So that's basically the idea that we're going to use here, and and that's with that visualization in mind, it should be okay to calculate. So let's see. So okay. So now we're moving. So delta is going to be n sub I minus n sub I minus 1, right? And then how many things are to the left of answer of sub I, where it increases delta, right? Well, there should, so if I is the first element, then there's one element that's going to increase. So it should be just I times delta. So we add, so it is the previous answer plus I plus delta, and then minus how many are on the right, right? It should be n minus I minus 1 maybe, or maybe minus 2, something like this. And that's pretty much the answer though. And then we return answer. I might have to actually count. Alright, so let's say if I is 1 and n is say 5, how many numbers are to the right? Well, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So, let's do. Oh, oops. Oh, I meant. Oh. Oops. Wrong thingy. Huh, same thing again. Confused their ways. Alright, why is that? I mean, we should at least get the first element right? So maybe we just have a typo somewhere. Okay. Also, negative is definitely no good. Oh, this delta has to be absolute value, but that shouldn't. Yeah, that shouldn't change the other thing. What is going on here? Tell me why. Okay, so why is this doing it? Oh, why did I put? I need this to be this. Yeah, okay. I think I confused it a little bit. All right, there you go. When I converted to ends and nums. Okay. So let's give it a submit. And that looks good. 1334-day streak. And obviously, we can do the complexity. It's gonna be linear time, linear space. You can do better on either. Linear time because, well, you just have to look at further away, so that's the lower case or lower bound, sorry. And space is going to be O of n because that's what you're returning. So cannot do better than that. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.